Kapinial English School Lightcrow yakablaseng da kakasi jantia Christian Mission Society kalayo ban panha perdano kajing rakhi dap shi posnem jong kajing ya lenti jongka hadin shi banai blayo ban pli yakani kajing rakhi hakani gasngi panha perda nakleng UMLA ka sora constituency uba Titos Khan ulalong kongsan haringkat kajing don lang ka video kong Iwajri USDSEO uba V Wanyang Reverend Dr. ICS Imli Reverend SG Ksharngam TBN SK lalu President ka KGCMS TBN BL Nonglat Chairman ka Education Committee ka KGCMS Principal ikong Pik Harngor kidekot ka KGCMS kinohikai kikmi kikpa kikna school bat kiwei ukong sana bakran na kaniski ulak kularu bun ajing rap na kamta kanig school banshna fencing nalor kani ulak kentui kikna school bakin treshitom hagijing puli hakanigasngi kikna jong kanig school kilayo ban shimenta shirham hagijing lakai baper kentupru ya ka concert kapal pelong ha ka plau jong kanig school laban ong Kapinial English School Lightcrow lasang ha kashitrik uleber arjasan ta kajing don kuma ar pungut kikna ke bapuli ka class nursery bat menta ka don hadu ars pa san pungut kikna bakan thup nadu nursery hadu class 10
shine your way and you may not know where to go shine your way open road but it's still dark build a fire from a spark and shine your way feed the feeling in your heart don't conceal it then you'll start to find your way
no one can stop what has begun you must believe when I say
all of your tears will dry faster
you've got in my life. You took my darkness and give me your light. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You took my sins and my shame. You took my sadness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, song of praise, with an upstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an upstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
is we have Hussein, and Hussein, Brother Hussein, we have Okay, thank you, sir, for